Hi, today we are going to learn about addition. First, let's see the sign of addition. Plus is the sign of addition. Now let's learn how to add single digit numbers. Let us take some examples. Assume that you have 3 chocolates with you. Now your mom gave you 2 more chocolates. How many chocolates do you have now? You have to first put the chocolates together and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Let's take another example. Assume that you have 6 chocolates with you. Now your dad gave you 3 more chocolates. Now how many chocolates do you have? 6 plus 3. Put the chocolates together and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now let's check another example. You have 4 pencils with you. Now you have got 4 more pencils. How many pencils do you have now? Put the pencils together and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. This is how we do single digit addition. But what happens if you don't have any objects or things for counting? In that case, you can use your fingers for counting. Now let's learn how to do addition using fingers. Let's take the same examples. First take 3 plus 2. What you have to do is, you have to keep the bigger number in your mind. In this case, 3 is the bigger number. Keep 3 in your mind and open 2 fingers. Now, let's count. You have 3 in mind and 4, 5. That means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Let's check 6 plus 3. Keep the bigger number in your mind. Keep 6 in your mind and open 3 fingers. Now 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Let's check 4 plus 4. Here both the numbers are same. So keep 4 in mind and open 4 fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. This is how you do addition using your fingers. Try to do these questions by yourself. Here are the answers for those questions. You can cross-check your answers with this. If you find this video helpful, you can like the video and subscribe the channel. I will be uploading more videos in the coming days. Thank you for watching.